I have this suit from the Goodwill. I'm gonna give this suit a nice makeover right now. It has these giant Miami Vice shoulder pads in. Those definitely have to go. And I'll just show you what it looks like. It's fuchsia, nice hot pink. It's a nice color, just definitely an old school style. It has really nice pockets. The sleeves are kind of short, they just fold up that one time, and it's kind of sewed in that with that fold in it. It has this little flip down collar. This is kind of going like that, and this one is going like that. So, and then it's pleated, and the skirt does have pockets on both sides.